In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Board View. ClickUp is a powerful productivity and project management tool that helps teams organize their work visually and collaborate more effectively. The board view is one of ClickUp's most intuitive and flexible ways to manage tasks, providing a clear drag-and-drop interface for tracking progress. Whether you're organizing personal projects or managing a team workflow, this tutorial will guide you step by step through setting up and using the board view to streamline your processes. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your chosen method. You can use your email address or connect through an available social account. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage, which acts as your command center for everything you need. Next, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This is where all your spaces are displayed. Click on the space you'd like to work in. Each space in ClickUp is like a container for folders, lists, views, and projects. So select the one that fits your current task or project. Now that you've entered your selected space, check if a board view is already available. Look at the top of the screen for the option labeled Board. If you see it, simply click on it to open the board view. If it's not visible, don't worry. Click the plus sign to add a new view in the menu that appears. Search for Board and add it to your space or list. Once you've opened the board view, you'll notice that tasks are automatically grouped by status. This is the default setup, but you can customize it to better suit your workflow. Review the current statuses and update them if needed. For example, you might want to rename statuses or add new ones that match your project stages, like in progress or review. Now it's time to start creating tasks. In the first column, which is usually labeled To Do, add new tasks for the work you need to complete. You can give each task a name, assign it to specific team members, set due dates, and prioritize it to ensure the most important tasks get attention. As your project progresses, you may want to adjust the structure of your board, rename existing columns if necessary, or add new ones to reflect your workflow. For instance, you could create columns like In Progress or Completed to track the different stages of your tasks. One of the great features of the board view is the ability to move tasks seamlessly between columns. Simply drag and drop tasks to update their status as work is completed. This makes it easy to visualize your progress in real time. If you need to capture additional details about your tasks, use custom fields. These allow you to add data points like story points, budget estimates, or client names, whatever information is most relevant to your work. To keep your workflow efficient, consider setting work in progress, or WIP, limits. These limits help prevent bottlenecks by ensuring that too many tasks don't pile up in a single column, encouraging your team to complete tasks before starting new ones. Another way to maximize efficiency is by configuring automations. Automations can handle repetitive actions for you, like moving tasks to a new column when their status changes or sending notifications to team members when they're assigned a task. For a bigger picture view of your team's productivity, you can build dashboards to monitor key metrics. Dashboards are great for tracking data like cycle time, the number of tasks in each status, and overall team workload. Finally, use the board view to continually adapt and refine your workflows. Whether you're managing a simple to-do list or a complex project, the flexibility of this view makes it easy to tailor ClickUp to your team's needs. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.